Here's India in the last 24 hours. In Punjab, BJP finished a distant fifth in the civic body elections, behind the Independents and Shiromani Akali Dal from AAP. Shiromani Akali Dal's performance, with 12 civic body wins, underscores its continuing decline in urban Punjab. The United States and Iran have come to an agreement on a MOU to extend the ceasefire for an additional 60 days to facilitate formal negotiations. However, US President Donald Trump has not yet provided his approval. If approved, the agreement would represent the most significant progress toward a lasting resolution to hostilities since the war began in late February. In Maharashtra, 10 people died in the Fujewadi area of Pimpri Chinchwad, while 4 others from the Pandhare Mala area in Pune's Hadapsar succumbed after consuming suspected spurious liquor. The latest data from the RBI shows why the government and central bank are so concerned about dollars flowing out of the country. The total amount of dollars flowing out of the country exceeded inflows by $30.8 billion in 2025 to 26, a more than six-fold increase over 2024-25. This balance of payments had been a surplus as recently as 2023-24. In Maharashtra, at the Mumbai Tech Week event on Friday, CM Fadnavis talked about plans to attract 10,000 rupees crore in investments, create 125 lakh jobs, and build dedicated infrastructure to support startups and innovation in the sector under its recent AI policy. In Odisha, Intel partners with government for semiconductor substrate manufacturing in India. This project is expected to create over 1,800 direct skilled jobs and strengthen India's semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem. In Telangana, BJP Legislative Party leader A. Maheshwar Reddy accused the Congress government of pursuing farmer-unfriendly policies and mishandling paddy procurement, alleging large-scale corruption and administrative failure. He said thousands of tons of paddy lay dumped in heaps at market yards and along roads, with farmers forced to guard them day and night, and many heaps damaged by unseasonal rains due to poor procurement policy.